Legends of Learning presents the Eco Guardian game. This is a science game that makes learning about human impacts on Earth systems fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, you'll step into the role of an Eco Guardian on a mission to protect and restore different natural environments. Through fun and engaging mini-games, you'll tackle unique environmental challenges, from cleaning up trash on the beach to restoring balance in a forest ecosystem. Collect eco points to unlock tools and wildlife that help revive these habitats, and learn how small actions can make a big difference for our planet. Use the arrow keys to move around the map to help complete tasks, to remove waste, recycle materials, and install electric car chargers and solar panels to move on to the next level. Play all the mini games to complete all the objectives, to earn more points to improve the city. Complete all the objectives in each city to move on to the next level. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.